fell in love on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets. The ordinary problem has not been hard to face, but lately little changes and I've been slowly taking place. You're always finding something is wrong in what I do, but you can't rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend, or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me